Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're here, you probably scheduled a Chkdsk scan in Windows 11, but now want to cancel it before it runs at startup. No worries, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you an easy way to cancel a scheduled Chkdsk scan, so let's get started. The easiest way to cancel a scheduled Chkdsk is through command prompt. To cancel the scheduled disk check at boot, first confirm that it's actually scheduled by running this command. So I have scheduled a Chkdsk. To cancel it, type the following command. Replace C with your drive letter if needed. This excludes the drive from being checked on the next boot. And there you have it, a simple method to cancel a scheduled Chkdsk in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.